I'm Pearly Kate, and today we're hiking at Chamna Nature Reserve. And these are the plants and animals we might see. Let's go! Look, a little secret path. It might take us closer to the river. Let's see. I was right about the trail. It brought us right to the river's edge. Poor tree. Awesome tree, actually. But the dirt's getting washed away. This trail is really great. It's flat and dry, even though it's the rainy season. This rock is a really neat color. It stands out from all the other rocks. We started here and now we're here. Where should we go next? I wonder what this is supposed to mean. Look at the beautiful undergrowth. It's so green and bright. Ooh, it looks like a fairy tale forest. Seems to go lower, so we're going to take a higher trail. That's actually a nice picnic place. This kind of looks like where my grandpa lives. Even though it's the middle of winter, there's a lot of green stuff because it's been raining so much. Yeah, watch out for horse poop, guys. It's a pretty little pebble too. There's some yellow stuff on this tree. I don't know if it's supposed to be there, but it's very pretty anyway. Sagebrush smells so good. This part of the trail has lots of big round pebbles. So watch your step and don't twist your ankle. This was a really fun hike. I enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed it too, please like and subscribe below. Bye. Thanks for watching.